Hi, my name is Devin and we go to Conneaut Middle School.
We visited Pennco Tool and Die and we learned their history and how their company works.
We also learned about gadgets, tooling, and fixtures.
And this is how our day went. My name is Gavin. What's your name?
I'm Scott.
What's your favorite part of your job?
The challenge of making parts that we're going to use every day for ourselves and everything you find out there, your cell phones, computers, medical stuff.
What type of tools do you use?
Calipers, micrometers, comparators. We have a pre-setting station for setting up for the wires.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
All right, thank you, Scotty.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm FALLYN. I'm interviewing Matt at Pennco. So how long have you been working at Pennco?
13 years.
What are you currently working on right now?
Medical parts.
And what's your position at Pennco?
I run EDM and help keep the flow of the work going through this department.
Thank you.
You are very welcome.
Manufacturing is very interesting. You start out real slow when you're learning and you work on the easier stuff, but there's always something harder to learn. And I try and make it interesting for my men, and try and keep them constantly learning and keep it interesting for them. So that's probably about the most interesting thing.
Hello, my name is Samuel Williams and I'm a Lacey at Pennco. What's your favorite part of your job?
Taking a raw material and taking the finished product.
How long have you been working at Pennco?
27 years.
What's the hardest part of your job?
Fighting with the tolerances that you have to hold.
Okay. Thank you for having me.
Yep, nice meeting you, bud.